In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extend stay Airbnb. To get started, open Airbnb and sign into your account. Make sure you're using the account connected to the reservation you want to update. Once you're logged in, head to the trip section. This is where Airbnb keeps your upcoming and current bookings, so it's the easiest place to find the stay you want to extend. From there, select the reservation you'd like to modify. After opening the booking, look for the option that says Change Reservation. If that option appears, go ahead and tap or click it. This is the tool Airbnb provides for making approved adjustments to an existing stay instead of creating a brand new booking. Next, choose Change Dates. This will let you update the timing of your reservation. When the calendar opens, select your new checkout date to extend your stay. Be careful to choose the correct date, especially if you only want to add 1 or 2 extra nights. After that, check whether the additional dates are actually available on the host's calendar. If the host has already blocked those nights or another guest has booked them, you may not be able to extend the reservation through this option. If the dates are open, you can continue with the request. Now take a moment to review the updated price. Extending a stay can change the total cost based on the nightly rate for those extra dates, and it may also affect taxes or other fees. It's a good idea to read this screen carefully so you know exactly what the updated total will be before you send anything through. Once everything looks right, submit your reservation change request to the host. In many cases, the host needs to approve the extension before it becomes official, so the request won't always update instantly. After you send it, wait for the host to review and approve the change if approval is required. When Airbnb notifies you that the change has been accepted, confirm the updated reservation. This is the point where you'll want to make sure the extension has gone through properly. Finally, return to the trip section and verify your new booking details. Check the checkout date and the updated reservation information to make sure your extended stay is fully confirmed. And that's it. Your Airbnb stay should now reflect the extra time you added.